Hi there. Okay, this is a training today for all of you that are starting in your VIP. There's so many of you, and I want to share with you a couple of the most valuable resources and break apart what we do in the different groups, because groups are such a great way to create community and get information off to your newest people. So this is the Do You Thrive customer group. This is where you will add, and I'm sure you guys are already in here, but this is where you will add someone that says, hey, tell me more about this Thrive thing. So my progression with someone when they're like, what is it all about? I will always say to them, so tell me about your health and wellness goals. Tell me what makes you curious, why you reached out to me. Or I'll reach out to someone and say, hey, I would love for you to take a look. I'm so in love with this simple supplement, immune support, energy. I've lost a few pounds. I'd love for you to take a look. So when I add somebody to the group, I invite them here. And then what I do from there is, so I'm going to invite my friend Emily to the group. Let's say that I asked her, and then what I would do is click here and edit and copy the group domain, which is, so I would rather do this. Let's go back to Do You Thrive. And then I would copy this and send it to Messenger and say, hey, I added you to the group. I then give a call to action, okay? So the call to action usually for me is, I've also tagged you in a post that gives you the overall view of what Thrive is. Now, my favorite thing about this group is the file tab and the search option. So in the files, this is a great place for you to hang out today and learn a little bit more about what we have going on. One of my favorite things to tag people in is the facts about the DFT patch. And I tag them in here, and they can learn all about what it's all about. Also, why 3 steps, all that jazz. Inside of this group, we also have posts that go up every single day. We're doing a healthy summer habit challenge. Many times there'll be engagement posts. I love to say to my customers, go ahead and just post that you're excited about Thrive in the group, or ask that question in the group. The other thing I love about Do You Thrive is I would love you all to share your story inside of this group. That means go live. Let us know you're going live. Let one of us interview you and say, oh my goodness, I am in a group. You guys, I started this group with one person, and now we have, I think, 8,000 people in the group. So get the person who brought you into Thrive and do an interview in the group and talk about why your 3 steps. Say to your newest person, hey, oh my gosh, I'm being interviewed in this group of 8,000 about my experience with these supplements. Would you come in and have a look? So I love interviews. We do them every Thursday night at 8:30. We also have all kinds of posts that go up. We have Transformation Tuesday. We have No More Manic Mondays. We have a great TikTok Family of Thrivers post that goes up on Fridays. So spend some time in this group. One thing that's really important is that you keep track of who you've added to the group. So when you see something, a promo, getting your Thrivers to engage in the community of the Do You Thrive group is so important. Like, look at this adorable Ariana. She's a new member. She's already posted. She's already getting engaged in the community. That means that she's probably added her mom and her sister, and she's getting to fall in love with Thrive. Lots of great things to look at. Lots of great questions, comments, and then my favorite thing is searching the group. So if you're like, hey, this is day 1 of Summer Healthy Fun Challenge. You could tag in there too. But if you're like, what is balance all about, that product? Come into the customer group, do a search, and click balance. And you guys, it's like a gold mine of information. Anything that's ever been posted about balance pops up. So how cool is that? And you can even tag in it. Sometimes if you see something that's time sensitive, I should go in and change those. But sometimes I don't, because I like the verbiage to go back to it. We do drawings for free products all the time in this group. Stay looking at your chats and looking at the team page agenda because we will talk about those challenges that we do. So my challenge for you today is to spend some time in the customer group and ask a few of your friends to come on in and take a look. My super duper super triple dare challenge is for you to go live with your Thrive experience. If you want to go alone, let us know. We'll make you an admin. Or get interviewed by the sponsor that brought you into the business. So tonight I will be, if you're listening to this on Monday, July 6th, many of you will be listening to it after, I will be hosting the working Zoom at 8:30 p.m. on the United We Thrive Zoom link. And I also have a new promoter training at 9 p.m. that I can't wait to see you on. All right, so have a beautiful day.